Hello, everyone. I'm Fredrik Kekäläinen, CEO of Enevo, and with my co-founder Johan Engström. And we're all about waste, the waste industry. So Johan has in his hand a sensor that we use for monitoring fill levels of waste containers. I'll use the fill level information to send to our servers and analyze the fill level of how quickly waste containers are filled up. And we use this to optimize the logistics of the collection. And probably you don't know, but the waste management industry, it's a $1 trillion industry annually. And it's something that just happens in the background. Most of us don't notice it at all. And our trash just gets collected, and that's it. And the problem is that the waste amount is increasing around 5% annually worldwide. This is due to many of the mega trends out there, mass urbanization, higher income in developing countries, and so on. So by year 2025, we expect that there's going to be trash so much that we need 5,000 kilometers line of waste trucks to collect all that stuff daily. That's basically 6-7 times up to the International Space Station. So that's a lot of trucks. Well, 50% of the whole market, annual market size, is basically logistics. That's trucks just driving back and forth, collecting stuff. There are paper, plastics, refuse, mixed waste, bio waste, whatever. And there's one problem. They are all using static routes. Basically, they're Monday route, Tuesday route, Wednesday route. Basically, they just drive around blindly, go and collect stuff, regardless of the containers are full or not. And this doesn't really make sense. Sometimes the containers are overfull, and they need to get serviced prior to the collection. Well, the cost of driving is huge. The labor cost is huge. And this example here, it just shows that this would be a typical route for a waste truck to collect, for example, industrial waste from supermarkets or industry or so on. But no worries. We have these sensors that measure the fill level, so we know exactly when to go and where to go and collect. So basically, by using our sensors, sending the data of the fill level and the trends to our servers, we can calculate exactly when and where to go. And by doing so, we can save a lot of money, both in terms of kilometers driven, labor cost, equipment cost, and so on. And a nice bonus here is that we can get less emissions as well, so we save the planet a little as well. So here's how it works. We have the sensors set up in container lids, and then send the data server, analyze the data. We have an API that we can integrate the collection data directly to the fleet management system. So the whole process is totally automatic. No IT investment is needed from the customer's point of view. And we have this rolled out in several countries already. For example, in Finland, of course, we've been able to save, for example, in this first customer point, 51% of the collections. And this actually translated into 47% net savings for the customer. You can see, 3,394 collections, and the customer paid previously for every collection a lump sum. So based on our collection optimization, the customer paid 1,673 collections. And, well, they're pretty happy about this, and they just signed a new 3-year contract. We have now very strong customer validation, traction going on in several European countries, North America. Just set up an office in July in America, and we have customers around Canada, US, many big waste management companies, university campuses, etc. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Enevo. Judges, questions?
So what's the pricing for the customers on this one, and what's the life cycle of the sensor?
The life cycle is they basically install and forget. So they work for more than 10 years with the same batteries. They send data every hour to our servers, and basically we own the sensors, and we sell the customer only the information. So we own and operate the whole network. The customer just gets the information, and that's it. And basically, the business model is that the customer pays a subscription fee based on amount of containers, contract length, and that's it. Basically, 5,000 containers for 10 years, that would be obviously cheaper than 1,000 containers 3 years. And we're talking roughly about anything between a little bit less than 10 euros per container up to like 20, 25 per month.
Your business model regarding this, so you sell it. Do you have a subscription fee, and how much is that following on?
So we don't sell the sensor, we sell the information. We own the sensors, and we just sell the information, where to go, when to go.
Again, anything on the innovation? Can it be protected?
Yeah, of course, we spent 2.5 years on heavy R&D on the actual sensors, the algorithm in the back end, and the server infrastructure. And that's one part, and we have several patents filed internationally as well.
All right. Thank you, Enevo.